What's up, everybody? Well, after a follow-up video of doing that full house cleaning to test vacuum cleaning performance with that custom-built Hoover Elite 350 I had with the Elite 600 base, why not follow that up and do it vice versa? Elite 350 base on an Elite 600. And I'm going to do the same thing like I did the last one, just vice versa, which this one I'm going to be running the single row brush roll that is from the Elite 350. But this, like I said, is in the Elite 600 chassis, so it does have the 6 amp motor. And the Elite 350 upper base just gives it a slide top bag, which I have fitted with a fresh new HEPA Type A bag. So this is going to be demonstrate how this vacuum cleaning performance would be with a 6 amp motor and a single row brush roll versus the dual row this normally would have came with that I already ran in the Elite 350. So with that said, there's not really that much to say about it other than even though this is the Elite 350's base, I did fit a longer cord on it just so I have a little bit more reach. But with that said, let's go ahead and get started here. All right, now that we're all set up, let's go ahead and get started. quick analyze of carpet lines. This thing definitely leaves pretty impressive lines for being a single row. Just to reiterate, the bristles are very nice and long. I will admit that's another thing to like about this. So that's definitely what adds to the nice grooming action of this. But anyway, let's go ahead and continue on. And thanks to the magic of editing, the full house cleaning is now done. And now let's go ahead and see the end results. Yeah, a lot of this is mostly fibrous material from the downstairs rug, but this is fantastic pickup. You definitely see you can definitely make out quite a bit of pet hair in there, which I honestly wasn't expecting this coming from a single row brush roll, or at least coming from a dual row brush roll. That's why I say don't underestimate the cleaning performance of these vacuums with the single row brush roll. These Elites, that is. They actually do pretty good. But for this vacuum's defense, it could be, since the 6 amp motor in this produces a little bit more airflow than the 5 amp would, since those are the ones that normally come with the single row brush roll. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video on the Hoover Elite 600. Be sure and stay tuned, and don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.